Hi, I'm Deanne Dillard, local real estate guru, and today on Carlsbad Craves, we're experiencing Campfire, a restaurant right here in the village that brings us back to the origins of cooking and hospitality. Come on, let's check them out.
Welcome to Carlsbad Craves, where we spotlight the best local restaurants and businesses in our community as we discover together the heart of Carlsbad.
Today we are sitting down with Natalia Alvarado. She is the Assistant General Manager here at Campfire. Natalia, tell me a little bit about what's unique about Campfire.
We cook everything live fire, everything's locally grown, locally sourced. The community aspect of Campfire is something that we're very known for. It's an inviting restaurant. It's really fun to just hang out, chat while you enjoy our food. And on top of all that, I think that our staff here have a real passion for what they do, and I think it really conveys to our guests that, this is our home, and we like to invite you in and have that good time around the fire.
So tell us a little bit about you. Why do you pour yourself into this place?
It definitely is in my blood. We had a small taqueria when I was in high school. All of our events were always centralized around food and hospitality and laughter and love, and I just really think that from a young age it was ingrained in me to want to make people feel good and in addition serve food and drink.
This location in the village is incredible. So how did you guys end up here?
There used to be a racetrack in Carlsbad. Back in the 50s, all the original drag race cars were built here in what is now our dining room. And John Resnick, the owner of Campfire, I think he came in and really saw the spark that Carlsbad has and wanted to kind of infuse his knowledge of hospitality into that and kind of rekindle the fire that he could see in this community.
So you guys have so many amazing dishes and cocktails. Tell us what we're going to be trying tonight.
We are definitely known for our broccoli. That's one thing that's been on our menu since day one. Chili candied peanuts with a lime vinaigrette that makes it nice and tangy, charred on the fire, so you get a little bit of that smoke in there. Cocktail-wise, I would say that the Aloe Black is probably our number one. It's in the margarita family. Smoked salt, we use Chirot, which is an aloe vera liqueur, and Violette, so it's very easy on the palate. Roasted beet is, I think, one of my personal favorites because this incorporates our fire as well.
Okay.
So we roast off beets, we infuse them into gin, and we juice fresh ginger. We've got local honey, a little bit of thyme.
We're going to have to try that one.
Yeah, I think you're going to have to sip on that one for sure.
Well, I'm glad we finally got some time to sit down and chat. You guys have so much to offer here. Amazing food, amazing staff. It's just like sitting down with a close-knit family.
Cool. Well, thank you for coming in. Cheers.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Deanne Dillard. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below, and thank you for supporting our local businesses as we continue to bring you all that Carlsbad craves.